Hello there. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create a mobile menu with links in Figma, also known as drop-down menu. Here is a demo. Click, mouse leaf, click, programs, back. So how do we do it? First, you will want to create a frame, mobile frame. And the masthead consists of a logo, text to greet the user, a hamburger icon that indicates a drop-down menu or list, a menu with the list of pages that you have. So with that created, I won't go about how to create the layout because in other videos we talk about how to add icons. In the menu, should have drawn a frame with a list of items below. And in this frame, you would name it as menu. Now that we have that, let's drag this in to the frame, size it, snap it to the top, and in prototype, double click on the menu. Previously, I've already done that selection, which is to trigger on tab, open overlay. Name of the overlay is menu. Choose position of manual. Why do we choose manual? In this case, usually overlays are in the center of the frame, but we choose manual because we want to make sure that it kind of snaps just below the masthead. We choose not to have a close when clicking outside. Background animation move in either from the left or right based on the animation below. In this case, we choose to move in from the right because it's on the right side. So we don't want it to click close when clicking outside because we want to add an additional cursor animation. Okay, with that, we select the menu and then under prototype, we choose mouse leaf as the trigger. Action is close overlay. So with that, let's demo this frame. Click, mouse leaf, leaf, click, mouse over this whole box, it stays, mouse leaf, it closes. As for the interaction of the buttons, it would be to double click into this each individual and link it to the page that you have pre-made. In this case, we have the programs page, therefore choose on tab, navigate, programs. All right, there you have it.